Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Substack post using an easy method. First, log into your Substack account and navigate to your dashboard. You will find a prominent button labeled New Post. Simply click it to start your creative journey. From there, you can choose one of three content types: a standard article, a quick thread, or even a podcast episode. This initial step takes just a few seconds and sets the stage for sharing your unique voice with your audience. Once you are in the editor, you have a powerful set of tools at your fingertips. Utilize the rich text editor to format your text, adding headings, bolding, or italics to emphasize key points. You can easily embed various media, such as images or videos, to make your post more engaging. Structuring your content with bullet points or numbered lists will significantly improve readability for your audience, making your message clear and concise. Before publishing, carefully consider your audience and timing. Substack offers flexible options, allowing you to target your post to everyone, only paid subscribers, or even just founding members. You can choose to publish your post immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time in the future. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These help readers discover your content and connect with your work more effectively. The final steps are crucial for a successful post. Always preview your content to ensure everything looks exactly as you intend before hitting that publish button. Once live, share your new post across your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Remember, engagement is key. Respond to comments and feedback from your readers to build a strong community around your writing. This helps foster a loyal and growing readership.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.